Delta, Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Sierra, Oscar.
Hey, Cole. Do you know what words Sierra, Alpha, Delta mean?
It's called NATO. It's a phonetic alphabet. I know pilots use it to communicate through radio.
So how does that work?
It's like a code. So like A is alpha, B is beta, C is Charlie. They just use it to avoid confusion because letters sound the same. Why?
I just saw something on the internet and I didn't know what it meant, but thanks.
Sierra, Delta, Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Sierra, Oscar, Sierra, India.
Hello?
Holy shit, Riley, where are you?
Heading home from the mall. Why? What's wrong?
Get here as fast as you can. This is life and death, goddammit.
Ty, what's going on? You know how fast I hurried over here? What the hell is so important?
This.
Tango, Oscar, Echo, Victor, Alpha, Charlie, Uniform, Alpha.
Okay, so it's just a bunch of random words that don't mean anything?
That's what I thought at first, but the same words keep repeating itself, giving off a pattern. These words aren't just meaningless and random. They're codes used by pilots and military. The first letter in each spells out a message.
Who sent it?
I don't know.
Where did it come from?
I don't know that either.
What do those numbers mean?
I don't know.
What do you know?
That aliens are real? And now we know the truth.
Yeah, which means we're fucked.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? I mean we're fucked. If this is a military code, then this was meant for the military, which means we're not supposed to hear it.
I don't think this message was accidentally sent to me, and I don't think it was intended for the military either. I think it was a cry for help to anyone listening, and a warning too. You see this S? It's by itself and it doesn't connect to any of the letters. But if you look at the last letter, it's also an S, which means it's on a continuous loop repeating itself to whoever it can get transmitted to.
So if this message was a cry for help that goes over and over, these numbers could be coordinates to where it's coming from.
Why won't this work?
I don't think it's the internet. This area is purposely blurred, like it's on military or government locations.
These are just a bunch of trees in the middle of nowhere.
Well, they're covering something. Wait, is this right next to Malaysia? Why does this country sound familiar?
There's no way.
What?
Malaysia sticks out because of the Malaysian plane that vanished, Flight 370.
Hold on. Holy shit, these coordinates are located around the area where Flight 370 was last seen. This location could be where the plane went down, but why would they blur a crashed plane?
That transmission wasn't an SOS from a plane crash. It was warning us about what happened.
Danger, be cautious, they are not human. This message must be transmitted from the black box of the missing airplane, which means that the plane must have encountered
Aliens!
They blurred it because they want to keep it a secret and let everyone think the plane got lost in the sea.
Those bastards. We have to expose them.
Are you crazy? This is the government we're talking about. Not just our government. This happened on foreign ground. If they can cover up the truth about over 200 missing people, I bet they can handle two 18-year-old kids.
So are we just supposed to do nothing?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're supposed to do. Look, I gotta go. I'll see you tomorrow. Please, don't do anything stupid while I'm gone.
Fuck it.
Hey.
Don't you hate me? What was the last thing I said to you? The last thing, and look what you go and do. The stupidest thing ever.
People have the right to know, though, and the more people that know, the harder it is for them to cover up.
You have no idea what you've just done. I already know the truth. I'm not gonna be dragged into this too.
Listen, I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are.
What the hell are you doing?